Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at Euro Aussie. Right, so it's very interesting, this configuration that we actually have on the daily. Right, I want to show you guys on the daily, very clear uptrend. Okay, price is making higher highs and higher lows. So right, very clear uptrend of the reversal over here. Price on the daily has also broken out of this triangle pattern, right? This ascending triangle pattern. Okay, and very quickly I just want to go down into the 1 hour because that's where we see the intraday opportunities. And same story goes over here, right? The structure is one that is bullish. Okay, we actually see that price is holding very nicely above this ascending trend line support. Right, so price is actually currently testing this swing high. What I'm expecting price to do is actually do something like that, right? When it tests the swing high, it's going to pull back, and then after that it's going to push higher. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting price to do right now. So we want to find an entry. So I'm just going to do a retracement of the last push. Okay, it's not really completed yet. Okay, so why I don't like is, you know, if it's not a completed movement, the Fibonacci levels will keep changing. Okay, however, we can see that the 50% over here is actually pretty much in line, okay, with the ascending trend line support. And also yeah, it's in line with the ascending trend line support. So there's a very nice graphical level where we might want to find our entry. Okay, so we see price pulling back a bit. As long as price is kept below this area, right, we should see price do a sort of a small pullback, right? So sort of a small pullback kind of thing, right? So something like that, as I mentioned, down and up. Okay, so that's what we would like to see. Okay, let me ignore this negative 61.8 for now. Alright, so if you take the whole completed movement, okay, from this low all the way to this swing high, you open all Fibonacci ratios, right? You see that this 50% finds confluence with the previous 23.6. Alright, and at the same time the negative 27 finds confluence with our short-term negative 61.8, and it's also in line with a graphical level where we have a possible intraday take profit here at the last swing high on 21st July. Right, so we can actually play a bounce up to the 21st July swing high, and of course if price goes even higher, right, there's a chance that, you know, we can play to a swing target, like a long-term swing target at the negative 61.8. Now last but not least, you can also actually put your stop loss just outside of market structure over here, which is in line with the 50% retracement. Okay, not the best risk reward, but the moment price comes back down, we should see a much nicer risk reward. Alright, and last but not least, looking at technical indicators. Okay, 21 is too sensitive, so let's use 34. We see that in the uptrend, you know, price is held by the moving average very nicely, similarly in the downtrend. So this 34 is the natural moving average of the chart. MACD is above 0 with no sign of divergence, so we're still in a bullish configuration. Alright, so that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Thank you and trade safe. I'll catch you guys again.